If you're a student in India, listen up. I am about to save you from countless sleepless nights. Seriously, in this explainer, we're diving into 5 completely free AI tools that are going to absolutely revolutionize how you handle your school and college work. Okay, this quote kind of hits hard, doesn't it? The world has moved on. Technology is just leaps and bounds ahead of where it was. And honestly, the way we study needs to catch up. The old days of manually typing everything out and pulling all-nighters, they are officially a thing of the past. So, the real question is, are you ready to work smarter, not harder? Because the tools we're about to talk about can make a massive, massive difference in your life as a student. We're talking less stress and a whole lot more free time. Yeah, we're calling this new approach the end of all-nighters. It's all about shifting from that last-minute panic to smart, efficient work. And you guessed it, AI is the key that unlocks this whole new way of doing things. Just look at this. On the left, that's the scene we all know too well, right? Stress, burnout, endless typing. But look over on the right. That's the new reality. Projects done in minutes, with smart AI helping you out. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of studying. Now, let's get one thing perfectly clear. This is not about cheating. Not at all. This is about using AI as a powerful assistant, a tool to help you understand your material better, organize your thoughts, and get those initial ideas down way faster than ever before. All right, first up, let's tackle the biggest time suck for any project, the research and note-taking. I mean, what if you had a personal assistant who had already read and understood all your course material for you? Well, that assistant exists, and it's called notebooklm. It's this brilliant tool from Google. Think of it like your own private research expert, but with one absolutely crucial difference. It only uses the sources you give it, like your professor's PDFs or chapters from your textbook. And the process? It's incredibly simple. You just upload your documents, then you ask it questions in plain language, like, hey, explain this concept in simple Hindi, or give me 5 important questions from this chapter. And just like that, you get summaries, explanations, and study guides based only on your material, no random internet stuff. This quote just captures it perfectly. Notebook LM isn't just searching the web. It's like your personal study buddy who has memorized every single page of your specific textbooks and is ready to help you out 24/7. Okay, so your research is sorted. What's next? The scariest part, right? The blank page. How do you go from just an idea to a full draft without spending hours just staring at that blinking cursor? This is where tools like Gemini or ChatGPT come into play. Think of them as your brainstorming partner and your writing assistant all rolled into one. They are amazing for creating outlines, kicking around ideas, and even writing a solid first draft to get you started. Now, the key to getting great results is a specific prompt. Don't just say, write about digital payments. No. Look at this example. It specifies the word count, the topic, who it's for, and the tone. The more detail you give the AI, the better the results you're going to get back. And now for the presentation part. Oh, this is a game changer. Tools like Canva and Google Slides now have these incredible AI features that can take your text outline and poof, instantly turn it into a beautifully designed presentation. No more spending hours messing with fonts and layouts. I just love this line because it's so true, isn't it? The tech has gotten so fast that the boring manual tasks we used to struggle with are now just automated. Your biggest challenge might literally be finding that old pen drive you stuck in a drawer somewhere. Okay, you've got your research, you've got your first draft. Now comes the most important step of all, making the work truly yours and polishing it up so it's ready to go. So a tool like Quillbot can help you paraphrase sentences. But this is where we need to talk about ethics. This is critical. Use it to rephrase and refine, sure, but then you must add your own thoughts, your own examples, your own voice. Never, ever just copy and paste blindly. That's plagiarism, and that is not what these tools are for. And for that final professional touch, there are AI video tools that can convert your script into a simple video. This is actually a fantastic way to practice your presentation. You can hear it out loud, catch any mistakes, and really nail your delivery before the big day. So we've seen all the individual tools. Pretty cool, right? But now let's put them all together into a powerful step-by-step formula that can take you from just a topic to a finished project in record time. Here it is, the 10-minute formula. Step 1, you have your topic. Step 2, feed your class notes into notebooklm and pull out all the key arguments. Step 3, use those points to prompt Gemini for a structured first draft. Step 4, refine and rewrite that draft using a tool like Quillbot, making sure you add your own unique insights. And finally, step 5, turn that final text into a killer presentation with Canva AI. It's a perfect workflow. When you actually use these tools together like this, 10 minutes of smart, focused work can genuinely replace 10 hours of stressful manual labor. That is the incredible power of working with AI. So there you have it. We've given you the blueprint. The tools are free, they're easy to get, and they are so powerful. Now it's your turn to be smart. We have focused on projects today, but these tools can also be amazing for exam prep. Creating study notes, practicing with old question papers, is that something you'd be interested in seeing an explainer on? If the answer is yes, and you want to follow up on using AI to crush your exams, let us know. Just drop the word AI in the comments below. It's that simple. And that brings us to our final thought for today. As you start messing around with these tools, ask yourself this question. Are we witnessing the end of hard work, or are we finally at the beginning of an era where everyone has the tools to work smart? Something to think about.